We're going to do a video on Rivian Stock Today, RIVN, and this is a daily chart of Rivian with a 200-day moving average in blue. We're going to first show you the whole chart, then we're going to come in and close on it, and we can see Rivian is down today 7%, down $2.27. Rivian's trading currently at $29.58. It's about 20 after 10 on the 9th of November. The daily low is $29.01. The daily high is $31.15. Let's take a quick look at this stock. We can see it's been in a bear market forever and put in its high right around November of 21, and we're down here coming sideways for a long time, all the way since May. So all through the summer and into the fall, the stock's on a longer term look, it looks sideways. As we can see, the stock's been doing some really weird things. First of all, we had people down here picking a bottom back in May, and so the investors bought this stock. But as you can see, we made a high and then we started making lower lows, and this stock distributed through here. So it's very interesting that they took their profits through here. Somebody jumped in around July 5th and started buying. So people started buying the stock and drove it up. But now you can see they're distributing it again. Now we can legitimately call this a higher high. But after that, lower low, lower high, lower low. And now we're looking at Rivian selling off today, probably making another new low. It hasn't done it yet. This low, $28.62. This is still above it, $29.02. So it looks to me that there's not a whole lot of confidence in Rivian. People are trading it, and then they're getting out of it. It doesn't look like they're trying to pick a bottom. It just looks like they're just swing trading it. That's the best I can tell by looking at it. Let's take a look real quick. The hourly chart is right here, and this is a really interesting hourly chart. You can see that the 20-week moving average has gone completely flat, and pretty much so has the 5-week moving average. So they're telling us absolutely nothing, and it's consistent with my analysis that they're just swing trading it. In other words, they don't care that it's not trending. They're just going to trade the swings, which are big enough for them to make some money off of, and that's what they're doing. So you can look at this swing from here of $24 to $40, and as long as this stock's reasonably liquid, there's a ton of money to be made in there. I'm not recommending anybody trade it, but there's a ton of money to be made in there swing trading it, and that's probably what's going on. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. We can take a look at this chart, and we can see that the 200-hour moving average going all the way back here to August, they're just oscillating. This is a pretty standard looking chart in terms of oscillation around a 200-hour moving average. It's got a lot of spikes, a lot of very high volatility on single hour bars. That's a little unusual, not hugely unusual, but a little unusual. As you can see, it looks kind of ugly. It looks kind of droopy, like a tree, well, I can't remember the kind of trees they call those, but they droop down, and that's the way this looks. So this is not normal from that perspective, but in terms of its general movement, I don't see anything crazy about the stock. It looks to me like they're definitely just swing trading it, and so that's ending up with looks like a little bit of panic selling here this morning. I don't see any big deal with this selling as long as it doesn't violate this low. If it makes a new low, then it's probably going to distribute down lower, and in this particular case for this stock, I think somebody's going to try to pick another bottom in it. My guess would be if it makes new lows, we can get this to look right. If it makes new lows below this $28.62 low, I suspect it's going to come down here and challenge this low of $24.48. So that's my short-term analysis for this stock. Still in a bear market. They're swing trading it. It's below the 20, it's below the 200, it's below the 5. So if we break this $28.62, your next target down here is probably going to be somebody buying at the $24.50 range and bouncing it back up a little bit, probably close to the $30, $32 range, and just continuing to trade it. Until we break across this 200-day moving average, the stock's still in a bear market, and it looks like they're interested in trading it. It's just they're not really interested in trying to push it up. So that's what I've got today. We do not cover this stock at RBAM Research for some reason, but we do cover 190 other stocks. You can see some are showing zeros today. Apple, NIO, Tesla all showing zeros, but Macy's got some prices, American Airlines, and they're all available for a free trial at rbamresearch.com. Just go over there, no credit card required, absolutely free. Put in your email address. There's a link in the description below. Go to RBAM Research and get immediate access as soon as you put in your email address to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. They're all updated by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, Monday through Friday, keep in mind everything you've seen and heard, including our commentary and entry prices, all for entertainment purposes only. Have to do your own research. Can't use our information for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you have a symbol or a futures or a currency you want us to do a analysis on, please leave it in the comment section below, and we'll consider doing it for you. We'll do it if it's something we think enough people would like to see. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well.